In this really quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in your Cadillac DTS key fob. You won't need any special tools or anything like that to get this done, and it'll just take a couple of minutes. The only thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't know where to get those, or you just like to pick one up online, check out the link in the description. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can get the exact battery that you need for this device for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step is just to look on the bottom of the device right here. There is a very small slot in the plastic right along the seam. There is a little kind of opening there. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, one on the smaller side so we can fit in there, and we're just going to kind of wiggle it in. And just by getting to the right location there and pushing and wiggling, the whole device has pretty much opened up. You just want to kind of go in and twist or pry this open. It doesn't take much force at all. So just take your time and get this thing opened. And now we have access to the battery. You can just push the battery straight out of there with your fingers. Careful not to squeeze or damage these parts on the circuit board. We're just sliding the battery out. And now we can dispose of the old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and make sure the positive side that has the plus on it and the battery info, the text there, is going face up when we slide it back in. So you slide it in, positive side up, and now all we need to do is click the back right on top, squeeze it back together, and we are done. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come back here, check us out on YouTube. We've got videos for pretty much every device from every maker model, and you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.